Guys, working from home just got a whole lot easier. Now, today I'm looking at the C20 all-in-one conferencing camera from Nuroum, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm super excited to be checking out this very cool conferencing camera from Nuroum. This C20 was sent to me by Nuroum in exchange for my honest review. And if you watch my channel, you know that you're always going to get an honest review from me, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, when Nuroum contacted me and I saw 100-degree camera, AI noise suppression, echo-cancellation, full HD video, and it was all plug and play, I thought this is just the job. We all use a combination of different pieces of tech. I myself use a Logitech Brio webcam and a Jabra 510 Plus conference speaker. And you know what, while it works just fine, that's two devices that I need to plug in, adding to the mass of cables everywhere. Plus, using a different webcam and speaker and microphone can sometimes introduce echo and other artifacts. So an all-in-one with one cable, this sounds good. So, unboxing. You've got the usual instructions and the warranty. You also have a USB-C cable, and hey, we love a bit of USB-C. And you've got the C20 conference camera itself. So first impressions, guys, it looks good. Now, I thought it might have been a bit heavier, but it does feel fairly solid. So what it lacks in weight, it makes up in build quality. So yes, pretty solid. Now on the top we've got some touch controls for volume, microphone on off and camera on off, so that's pretty neat. You've also got this illuminated ring which changes colour to reflect the different operations, and you've got the far field AI driven microphones. AI driven? Yeah. Now what we actually mean by AI driven is we've got some intelligent noise and echo cancellation, and now looking at the top of this, they are touch controls. It does look pretty nice, but it kind of reminds me of the old first gen Amazon Echo, which isn't a bad thing. Now, moving down, we've got the full HD camera, which gives you a 100-degree field of view, so wide enough to get everyone around the table in view. Then we get to the base, which is kind of covered in this cloth, which I guess gives the speaker a bit more depth of sound. Now, setting this up is as easy as plugging it in. No drivers, no apps, just plug and play, and it really is just plug and play. I tried this with various video conference apps and all worked well. The audio sounded good and the camera worked well also. Now, I don't think it was quite as sharp as the Logitech Brio webcam that I currently use, but this C20 is more geared around getting a room full of people in rather than a personal webcam. I personally like it a lot. It's great to leave it in a conference room where people can just take their laptops, plug and play, and they're good to go. I've been into hundreds of meetings where people have struggled to get that conference gear up and running and have wasted half the time trying to do so. This C20 by Nuroum is definitely easy to use. You will not waste time trying to get your meeting going with this thing. So, whether you want a neat all-in-one single cable solution for your own working home conference needs, or you need to furnish your conference rooms with a very simple but powerful plug-and-play solution, this C20 conference camera by Nuroum is a great solution for you. And you know what? The price, well, I can tell you now, it's not going to break the bank, and there are a ton of deals on right now, which, you know, I'll leave any discount codes in the description. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section. If you want to know any more about this webcam, conference cam, call it what you will, then just leave me a comment in the comments section. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Nuroum for sending me this to review. And I'll tell you now, this will be staying on my desk, guys, and you know what? I shall be using it for a while. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave for Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.